Tell you what, I'm not going to risk it.
No.
I've got loads of stuff in my inventory, I'm going to go back. If you could go and look for clay, that would be much appreciated.
You can't really look for clay, you can just sort of stumble across it.
Well, there must be a place where you'd find it most likely.
Just water, really. There is a clay biome, but I'm not sure if this is the update with all the new biomes in it.
I don't know.
I think it is. We need to find an NPC village.
We do. Would that have clay in?
No, I'd have carrots in it.
Oh. Not particularly helpful then, is it?
Well, no, but we can get pigs and carrots. Oh, I can hear chicken. Wait. Yeah, chicken. Yeah, chicken. Oh, that's where the fire is. Oh, my fire has managed to spread. Oh, that makes sense. There's a big lava pool above ground, and so it set fire to all the trees around it.
Or did you set fire to all the trees around it?
No, it's the lava, because it's above... Well, we have an egg. I have one egg.
We now have 10 eggs.
Gorgeous, okay. Yeah, chicken. Come on. Yes, I can hear you, but I can't see you. Bastards. Just follow me. I need you to come to our base and fuck each other and then give us babies. Fine, I'll come back for the fucking chickens. I'm surprised we haven't starved to death, to be honest.
Right.
Left.
I'm going out. Oh.
Oh.
Lock it up.
Oh, so we have to use redstone flux.
Use a dynamo or yellowrium reactor.
Okay, well, okay. Well, there's a few different dynamos that we could have. Steam, magmatic, compression, and reactant. We could make a steam dynamo, but that needs cooling, probably.
Yellowrium fuel rod? Okay, well how do you make energy in thermal expansion? Stupid thermal expansion. Okay, well maybe a steam dynamo would do it. How much does that cost?
That is a redstone transmission coil, 2 copper gears, 3 copper ingots, and a piece of redstone, which we could make.
Did we just use all our redstone?
Nope.
Oh, no, 45 redstone. Okay, maybe we should do that then. I'll save the Stirling engine for something that actually needs Stirling engines.
Okay, I'll go make that one. Need silver, which we should have a lot of. Oh, we only have 8. Is that going to be enough?
I guess
Steam
so.
dynamo needs... Oh, I only need 1, actually, to make 1.
There we go. Out we go. Where are you?
Haven't the foggiest. I've just
You
sort of
give
gone...
me your coordinates, I'll
Chickens!
join,
Hang on.
and I'll join you.
No, I'm gonna come back.
Oh.
Because I found a chicken who loves me. Come on, chickens. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Yeah, good chickens. Good chickens. Come on. Don't worry, it's only a... Oh my god, how many fucking chickens are there? I only wanted 2, not 10. And it's raining. Good.
You're the Pied Piper of all chickens.
Great. Come on. Okay, if we just ignore the other 2 chickens, we should only get 2 chickens. This will literally take us a fair few hours. Come up here, chickens. I know you're capable of it. See? He managed it. I'm gonna call you Fred.
Clay!
Fred and Doris. Come on, Fred and Doris.
Only problem is it's underwater, so I'll have to kind of...
Yeah, that's where all the stupid... Oh, where's Doris gone? Fucking, what are you doing up there?
Oh yeah. The steam dynamo needs water and solid fuel.
Water?
Oh well, solid fuel would just be like coal. Okay.
Okay, I need to find out what thermal expansion even is, because... thermal
Okay.
expansion.
Right, we need copper.
Of course, nothing mines underwater.
It does, it just takes quite a long time.
Oh, I'm gonna drown though.
Just come up for air and then go back down. Come on, chickens, we're only 142 meters away, come on.
How much clay do I need? I don't know how much clay I need.
If you can pulverize it, I don't think it really matters, does it?
I'll get...
If Dan and Matt come in and kill Doris and
Well, how
Fred.
many clay is it to make 1 brick?
1. If you smelt 1 clay, it makes 1 brick.
Okay, I need... Oh, I've got enough.
Right, do not fall in the hole. If you fall in the hole, I will banish you from... Oh, just the hole.
Existence.
Yes. Doris? No. Right, come on.
You really called it Doris?
Yeah. Doris and Fred. Floris. Dread. Yeah, come on, Dread.
Dread.
Come on. Only 109, only 93 meters, come on. You can do it, chickens, you can do it. Before nightfall. Oh my god, if a creeper blows them up as we get to the base, I will just... Come on, Fred, what are you doing? Yes, come on. Spawn us with 1 chicken, it'll be fine. See, it will lay eggs. So really, we don't need chicken. Like, oh my fuck. Sorry, Doris. My navigational skills aren't what they used to be. Why are you in a fucking jungle anyway? You're chickens.
What else do we need? We need some iron. Okay. And some redstone. You have the redstone, don't you? Or are you just
no,
checking?
I left it
Okay.
in the chest, yeah.
Okay. So steam dynamo. Redstone, solver.
Hang on, what's this energetic infuser? That might be what we need. I
Really?
seem to remember something about that. Oh no, hang on, no, that's not it. I thought there was something that could maybe convert Buildcraft to,
Okay.
maybe not.
I think there's enough to build that.
Generators. Steam dynamo, magmatic dynamo, compression dynamo, or reactant dynamo.
Well, we have a
I guess
steam
we're not
dynamo.
with steam, aren't we? Okay,
There you go.
cool. Thank you. I'll
So
place
what-
it underneath where it was.
Okay.
I have no idea how to use a steam dynamo though.
Right, this one. I suppose just place and see what happens.
Okay, I need more oak wood.
Okay.
What's in the GUI of this thing? I'll stick in some coal.
Okay. You'll need some water to do something with. How would you put water into it?
Shall we get an infinite water source and a pump?
Yes. Okay, I shall go find or actually might as well make another bucket and go get some water. And you can go make a pump, I guess.
Yes.
What do you need to make a pump?
Don't worry, I got this.
Okay.
Fred, come here. Hey, come on. Now, fine. Come on, Doris, we don't need him. Who needs Fred? Fred was a nobody.
Where's the machine block?
Oh, now you want to come with us, do you? Yeah, now that you realise I've wandered off. I'm genuinely. Bless
Ow.
you. Yes, don't cluck at me. Look, just follow me. Don't fall in there, you. Oh, fuck, don't fall in there. Come on, Fred, come on. Doris. Follow Doris, who's following me. That's what you should do. Follow the leader. That's what you can play. Follow the leader. Oh, is that their base? No, it's Volcano. Never mind.
Easily confused.
Come on, Fred. I'm starting to think you're quite mentally slow. No offense. Mentally and physically. I'm nearly there, Alex. Fred, come on. It's a bush. You can get over it. If Doris managed it, you can do it. There you go. No, we just...
I have no idea how entertaining this is.
Can you clear the doorway, please? Because I have company. Just fall down here.
It's cleared.
If
You
you...
need a mining well, which you need a bit of iron for, and some redstone.
Okay.
That's not too bad. You're not taking all the redstone with you, are you?
Yes. No.
I would like some of that.
Yeah.
Are you outside? Ah.
I'm just here. Have iron. and
Oh, thank you.
Everything else. I shall go get water with just a bucket. Which will be enough.
Right, so I need to start with an iron pick, and that requires some of this. And it needs an iron gear, which requires a stone gear, which requires a wood gear. Wood gears are pretty simple.
We have some of those in a chest somewhere.
Oh,
And,
too late.
and some stone gears actually.
Oh,
We can make some more, it's fine. Okay, where do you want this infinite water source?
can you put it like in the corner over? Actually,
Over
no, 'cause
here?
we need- Yeah, and we'll have a water pipe running along this wall here. That would
Okay, so
probably
you
be
want
good.
it in this corner?
Yeah.
Okay, we...
That also means we're going to need some waterproof pipes soon.
Come on, chickens. Fall down here. Fall down here, you fucking feathery twats. Doris is managing it. Why can't you? Doris is taking... Fine, come on, Doris. You don't need it. You don't need it. Come on, come this way.
One problem.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Please remove the door quickly.
What do you mean remove the door?
Like, remove the blocks in front of the door.
Yeah, I already said that out.
Oh, okay, cool. Come on, Doris. Quickly before the zombie gets you. You can't have you being a zombie chicken. Leave Doris alone. Fuck off. Come on, Doris. Come on, Doris. Good, Doris. Fred, fuck off. You're in Doris's way. Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Do you have any coal by any chance?
No, I don't. I have chickens. Right, we're just gonna go in here. Right, come on. Move, please. Come on, chickens. You can do it. What are you doing? Don't go down there. Oh, you bastards. Come on. In here. Here we go. In here. Look. Ooh, look. What's in here? Is it a nice little base you can get slaughtered in? Come on! You fucking idiots. Oh, yeah, come on, Doris. You're a good chicken. You're a very good chicken. Come in here. Hey, look at her. Now we need to give her a sort of place to stay. Right. You look after Doris. I'll make her a little doodah somewhere.
Oh yeah. Help if I had an axe, but oh well.
Wait, hang on. Wasn't there like a aqueous accumulator or something? No, that's not
Oh, I
it.
shall go get some more water and finish it off.
I seem to remember there was a pipe which just gets you water from nothing. Oh well, too late.
Hmm.
We have a water source.
Which isn't infinite yet.
Oh yeah. What was I doing? Oh yeah, making this into a stone gear for which I need some stone.
Which we already have anyway.
If only we had some stone. Ah, here we go, stone.
There should be some stone gears anyway.
Well, I made one, so
Hmm.
I just heard... Oh, alright, that was you. That's the noise it makes.
An infinite water source.